got through the gate. On our yes. How crazy is this airport? Miami domestic airport. It's pretty crazy. Miami airport kan a tour. Miami airport portal ng pagpadring tantaneka. Eh di pumarka. Okay, our
Nobody makes
last.
that connection.
He hates that. Mr. and Mrs. is P and Poo in Mizo. So this is gonna be our last flight before we become P and Poo. Mr. and Mrs.
Excuse
Okay.
Mr. and Mrs.
Yeah, Mr. and Mrs. Okay. Okay, bye-bye. Off to Portland. Bye. So what's happening? Can you explain?
Oh yeah, so we had a couple problems with grime or something getting into our engines, so they had to decommission them. So
Which airline?
American Airlines. So we waited on the plane for what, 2 hours?
2 hours.
And then they told us to get off the plane, and then they moved us to a new gate, which is in a different terminal. So we're gonna take the SkyTrain there.
Yeah.
A lot of people are just walking there. I don't think they know this is here. So hopefully this will be faster. I don't know.
You know, this reminds me of that scene on Friends. Get out the plane.
You have to get off the plane. What? Why? I have this feeling that something's wrong with it. Something is wrong with the left phalange.
Anyways, yes, it's very annoying right now. So,
That's character. So we'll be at least probably 3 hours late getting to Portland, so probably 2 a.m. we'll get there. 2 a.m.
get on here. And here we are. That's our new plane. I hope we make it. It's so sad if we need to get off the plane again.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is going to be the third time he's gonna leave me.
Be strong. I'll see you soon.
He got
Tough
priority
neighborhood
and I did not get priority. How sad is that? My fiance is like,
I'm doing this to get luggage space.
but I don't have any luggage.
I have this.
I don't have any hand baggage. I'm sad. There he goes. Somebody left me at the gate.
Will one of you come with me?
We're finally here in Portland. Local time is like 2:45 and Miami time is around 5:45 a.m. We landed safe and sound. Someone is very sleepy right now. Yeah, you have to work in 3 hours. It's beautiful. Portland Airport is so beautiful. All these woodworks. It's better than Miami Airport. There's nothing in Miami Airport. Miami Airport looks like a storeroom. There's nothing to see. See all these plants. It's very organized. I love this. Parte polo parvo the truck maybe wait up in. Okay, we just filed our marriage license. And
Hi.
this is us in Hillsborough. Right? It's very pretty here.
Yes.
Very
Right down
nice. Yep.
there. Right.
It's very nice. And we're gonna get lunch. We just did our certification.
That's Siyun Izakaya. Hopefully they can hear over that truck.
Kaya.
Siyun.
Soon. We're gonna go to a restaurant
Probably
called
saying it wrong,
Soon, and we have to go there soon.
For us.
That's where we're going soon. We're gonna see you soon. That's so cute. I love this place.
The inside is an old library.
Oh yeah?
And they turned it into a
We're gonna have
Japanese restaurant.
lunch here.
Izakaya.
That's great.
You do it sideways.
Oh, it's an old library. It's very pretty. This one is a chef special. A little bit twist. We want jalapeno.
Omakase? Is that right?
This is omakase.
I think that's what it said.
Okay. Chef special omakase. And this one is beef with garlic
stems.
Yeah, garlic stems. Hillsborough. So beautiful. We got this bread and we got you what?
Donuts,
Donuts, potato, right? Potato.
chocolate potato, and
Chocolate.
tiger fritter.
Oh, great. Yes, it's gonna be amazing. And we might order our wedding
Here, open it
cake
up.
from
Sure.
here. Oh, that looks so good. Still filming?
Yep.
Okay. This looks so good. Okay, we might order our wedding cake from here. We'll see.
We'll see.
This is our day two in Beaverton. And we just did our marriage counseling. It was great. And that's the pastor.
That's the church.
And that's the church. One church, right?
Yep.
One church, Aloha. Yeah. All right. Now we're heading to Thai food. I don't know which Thai food we're going to
Maybe
have.
Thai food. We could change our minds. We're adults.
Yes, it's beautiful here. It's a little bit cold. Thank you very much.
De nada.
Day two
Okay.
dinner. Kuzuki Kai.
It's kukai ramen or kazuki. They used to be called kukai, I think.
Okay.
And a kazuki ramen.
And our appetizer is a chicken karaage. And we both order ramen. I hope it's great. And he challenged me if I can get the spiciest
habanero spicy.
habanero spicy.
Spicy for me, maybe not for her.
Let's see. Here's our ramen. Chicken. And that one, I don't know the name of that. It's pork
Garlic
broth.
tonkatsu shoyu.
Tonkatsu.
Garlic tonkatsu?
Garlic tonkatsu.
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 It's pork.
Garlic tonkatsu.
Shoyu.
Yeah. Want to taste it first? Yeah.
You have the bamboo here.
Bamboo shoot. That's good. Nói cho in the cake, thằng cake and endon in the thằng cake. So we consider to buy to get this bowl, and we're gonna get a sample.
We get one slice of the strawberry cloud, whichever one.
And do you want to try the blueberry one
The
too?
blueberry is the most popular one.
Is it really?
Yeah, usually the top choice is blueberry.
It's very beautiful. This, where are we right now?
That's by Fir Grove.
Fir Grove.
It's a school.
This is beautiful. Is it Beaverton? Beautiful. It's springtime. See all the flowers over there. Gần wedding reception thì chẳng lai à hian in hemi restaurant à hian kan nei do na kan han en vel ni hi am hun hi moi khop me e tao chân de ma moi khop me a vot de sur don ma se ka pu pur khop me ka kor hap tu nen ano ang piano. Reception winter. Enchanting Estate. Oh, so I'll walk up from here. So this is nice. I love this. Food truck mun puya kan kalahe. Thai food kan do na kan chanten yan. Tui dong khop me. Today here in Oregon, we are going to have dinner with our friends. This food truck place. Different kinds of cuisine. It's very interesting. And we're gonna get Thai food. Okay, our fourth day in Beaverton. We get some coffee in that coffee shop. What's the name of the coffee shop? I forgot.
Insomnia.
Insomnia Coffee. We love Insomnia Coffee very much. We got scones, quiche, and we got the breakfast biscuit. Yes, we have lots of things to do today. We'll show you around the town.
That's it. They're pretty good at hiding. So one time I saw it. It's a great question.
Chẳng lại han cần về nể lúc đơn courthouse à hiểu. Cần với han bút tụt tắc em. Ngày nào ông đâu. Bút tụt tới bật nhị cái này. Cái này tòa choang thuốc tao court marriage cái này thôi. Judge cần ngạc này.
Inasmuch as Mark and Zotan Pui have consented together in the presence of these witnesses to become husband and wife, now therefore by virtue of the authority vested in me as Justice of Peace for the County of Washington of the State of Oregon, it is my distinct and humble privilege to hereby pronounce you husband and wife.
We're legal. It's weird. This is our first dinner, and Mark's dad is cooking for us this evening. Right there, that's my husband. Look at my husband.
Hi, there's a picture.
Some of them I didn't push the tape good enough, so I.
Pain and tell people it's not alcoholic.
Hey! Fifth day in Beaverton. Zoe. And Pumark. We got a lot of things done today with the help of David. Yeah, he drove me around today in Hillsboro. We got our marriage license, and we got what else did we get done? Oh, I got my SIM card. I got we got their ties, and we are here confirming our reservation in the tap house. Here in Rininia, kan han bazaar vela. At say na tour shang te kan han lay vela. Maani ti kan tuma. Tom thayang vela ti kan tuma mase. At tom thay tak lo thili lo to lu tu ka mo. Tay han ti be do ni he. Golf course. Ano mo asan? Mani in ne kur. Lo steamang. Awesome. Ang karing tiyan.
Right, like the hazard. It's a hazard.
Yeah,
Someone on a motorcyclist the other day went between them.
okay, hi. This is a day before our wedding day ceremony.
Our second wedding day, yeah. Am I ruining the moment?
Yeah.
Why?
This is a day before our wedding day.
We're already married, look.
Yeah, court. Okay, anyways. So we're heading to the church and do our final touch-up today with all those flowers and all those things. And I forgot to take a picture to send it to Angie. But I'll do that after we get back. Okay. Bye! Kanin na ising karha. Salon na kasamle makeup nung zoom tituring kapag doon na kapag kanin Starbucks sa kan lut ko lo ka. Light chip to ah. Dito ka nga pag mapik intil ka tibok sa buwan ka. So akin na nga ibok sa maden ang sun.
Somebody tuned in.
Was it you?
Oh.
No.
It was you.
I think it's you.
No, it was Dad.
Don't blame it on me. Come on, buddy. What's that all about?
Say hi again, Kai.
Hi.
So cute. Okay, I still have my makeup on. Done and dusted, out of this world.
I will just call them.
We are here at Tualatin Nature Park. It's beautiful. Our wedding evening. We had time to take a nap, and right now we are walking in the forest. Đang đây về cốt mấy mi tết chuyện này tại đó cho nên anh muốn tia hay chung để khát đấy cái này sao kan sao được cả kan chặt là đấy kan chặt là tốt chân lại à kan là ta park kan là cái mấy là gì à Thai food thì kan phải là mấy kan thì hậu về ăn rừng đều đấy làm chọn mà sẽ ngon pian. It's so cool. My goodness, that's so cool. Ole, hun rate takata address mumal ni lavi ka umkwala. Na bang tu po niya nga tuna chanin hemi hi ka address law ni tani.
I never checked. I just checked the license plate on Uber's.
Bye bye.
I don't want to break the window. So.